Welcome to Dealership Experts Applicant Tracking System Tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to view applicants that have been served to your dealership in our applicant tracking system. Begin by logging in to Dealership Experts Applicant Tracking System. To select the candidate to view, simply scroll down and you're going to see each candidate that has been served into your applicant tracking system. In this case, we're going to select Testy Testerson. Now let's review the candidate details page of a fully vetted Dealership Experts candidate. The first thing you'll notice is the expert qualified position that this particular candidate has been vetted for. Each candidate vetted by Dealership Experts is vetted on each of their unique automotive qualifications. In this case, Service Advisor has already been selected, but also Porter and Auto Technician C. Each candidate will be vetted on their own unique qualifications for each position. Next, you can view the applicant's contact information, including email, home phone, and cell phone. Also included in this section is salary range, which includes any salary or performance-based bonuses that may be included in the position, and if they're willing to relocate. To view the candidate's provided resume, go to Candidate Provided Resume button. That will download the resume provided by the automotive professional. Next to view is the Smart Resume box. This is Dealership Experts' proprietary technology that ensures that your automotive professional is qualified and ready to accept employment for the position that you have available. Scrolling down, you can now view Dealership Experts' proprietary format of each automotive professional, giving you key indicators for the skill sets you're looking for to fill your positions. Let's review some of the key indicators. Automotive experience, automotive manufacturer experience, DMS familiarity, CRM familiarity, and the candidate's objective. Next, we move on to a comprehensive employment history with employer 1, with the employer address, phone number, position held, start date, if they're still employed or the end date, their areas of responsibility, and their reason for leaving that position. And this is the same with each employer, each and every time. As we scroll down further in the fully vetted automotive application, we'll find education, schools attended, any awards, certificates, or achievements they may have received, and 3 industry references, complete with title, description, email, and phone number. At Dealership Experts, we understand communication with a candidate is paramount. If you scroll down under each candidate, you'll see new activity. You can create an activity that's been completed or incompleted that'll go onto your dashboard by simply typing in the note in the summary and then selecting from the appropriate drop-down what it refers to. And then just hit complete if you'd like it just as a note. Now your note is stored in Dealership Experts Applicant Tracking System. And finally, the Dealer Use Only box. This is an actionable box that moves automotive professionals throughout the applicant tracking system of Dealership Experts. The first one is hired. This means the candidate is hired pending background check and drug screen. Create interview. A calendar will appear for you to schedule the interview, and that candidate will not be served to any other member dealers before that date has passed. Interested. We know you get busy in the car business, closing the month, holiday weekends. If you find a candidate that you have interest in but don't have time to reach out to them, click this button. It'll take them off the market for 3 working days for you exclusively. The pass button. This means you've passed on the candidate. It will immediately remove the automotive professional from your member dealership. Should you set up an interview and the candidate does not show, please select the no-show button. This will immediately remove the automotive professional from your member dealership and give dealership experts an opportunity to find out why they didn't show. Thank you for viewing this tutorial on Dealership Expert's applicant tracking system.